This isn't just a hair dryer, it's a smart hair dryer, designed for premium wipes and salon-level spas. Your health's new BFF just got an upgrade. With a sleek design and high-speed BLDC motor, it combines power with elegance. Gentle mode 30 to 37 degrees centigrade. True and safe with low temperature, ideal for child or sensitive scalp. Choose from 4 smart modes: gentle, hair, styling, and drying, each with a perfect heat for your hair. Gentle 37 to 45 degrees centigrade. Relax and revive. Soothing, everyday drying. Styling 45 to 53 degrees centigrade. Slightly hotter for easy styling. Drying 43 to 62 degrees centigrade. Fast drying and extra volume. No guesswork, just great hair. 65 meters per second wind speed and 20 million negative ions reduce frizz for salon quality results. Ideal for luxury hotels or personal use, while innovation means clear. COTTEL GS-617H. Invalid your hair care. FCC CE rules, CCC certificate. Contact us now to discuss bulk orders and exclusive customization options.